Hello, bonjour. I'm going to be doing like a crimp hair thing for a prom or something, and it's by Babyliss. Yeah. See it? It's actually quite good, and it's for thick hair. Very like. Oh, so sorry. My iPad's a bit, not stable at the minute. Yeah. So now I'm going to be showing you how to crimp your hair, and it's really simple. Oh, I know. So yeah, it's really simple and really easy if you follow my steps. So let's crack on with crimping my hair and the show. While my thing warms up, while my crimper warms up until that flashing light just stays green. When that just gets onto green, I can start brushing my hair, and you can get one of these, and it's like a clip, and you basically get a bit of hair like that up. And it looks really messy, and then do it, and then you can crimp it like that, and then you have a thin layer. You have a bit there. So yeah. So that's okay. That's about me. Right. So what you need to do first is make your hair in like two bits. Right, so I'm going to start with this. Let me come over. This section over here. And what I'm just going to do, you can just get a hair tie or something here. Hair tie. And if your hair is really, really long, it might be quite long. But because mine's not that long, you can just do whatever. So I'm going to start brushing my hair here. Okay, right, so I've just combed my hair one more time, so you know, and you'll just have nice hair like that. So I'm going to show you what you have to do to separate your hair. So what you need to do is you have your hair, and you have this bit under your hair like this, right? So what you need to do, get like there, and then you split. I'm just going to split it like that. So just section your hair off like that, okay? And then get your hair up. Okay, so you're just going to section your hair off. Yeah. And then I'm going to get my straighteners, so you can see it's green. It did take quite a long while, but it's good. It's worth it. So, and then you just hold it down 1, 2, and then back, let down 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and 1, 2, and 1, 2. So you just basically keep going down, and then you eventually get something like that. Alright, and it is worth it, because if you have really, really long hair down to your bottom, it is worth it because it looks really pretty. And if it doesn't crimp as much, that's because you haven't done it as long. But don't keep the thing on too long because then it can actually take your hair off. And so yeah, so it's really pretty once it's done. So yeah, now I'm going to get my other section of hair, and it's really easy. It's not like straighteners because you can actually see what is there. Okay, I'm just going to get. Okay, so I've sectioned another piece off again, and yeah. Okay, so I'm doing it really wrong here. Right. So I'm going to just separate it. It's better to do the back first because it's easier. And you don't have to get all that hassle around it. 1, 2, 1, 2, up a bit, down. While I'm going to, so you're going to just keep doing this. And then when you can't hold it anymore and you get into the ends, hold it up here. It is better. Yeah? So I'm just going to start doing it on my so I'm going to let you do it now, and I'll show you in a minute. So I have finished that side, and that took about 2.5 minutes. So, and look, you can really see, and it's like from You and Me, from, I think it's Liza Sam Smith, but it's from Disclusion, whatever, and you know, You and Me. Yeah, and they go on a trip and it's nice. So I hope you like it. Now I have to do this side because then it'll look really weird. But it is really pretty, like, because you can't see because you're on the camera. So you have a better, you might be able to see. Can you see it more? That's a bit more. Yeah, I like all my effects. Yeah, so yeah, you can just do that. Yes, and it's really good. It's really pretty from here in the mirror. So please, 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 even if you don't like me, please subscribe. Please, man. Okay, so thanks for watching, and please like, then see you in my next video. Bye.